You are broke, and you feel a bit lost because you don't know what exactly to do. But this is how your life will change if you follow this simple success guide. 1. Find your niche. The first step is to find your niche, something you're passionate about and that people want to watch. Whether it's gaming, beauty, cooking, or DIY projects, choose something you love. 2. Create high-quality content. Now, it's time to create high-quality content. Invest in a good camera, microphone, and lighting to make your videos stand out. Remember, the better the quality, the more viewers you'll attract. 3. Upload consistently. Consistency is key. Set a schedule and stick to it. Whether it's once a week or every day, make sure you're uploading regularly to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. 4. Optimize for search. Optimize your videos for search by using relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. This will help your videos rank higher in YouTube's search results and attract more viewers. Step 5. Engage with your audience. Don't forget to engage with your audience. Reply to comments, ask for feedback, and create a sense of community around your channel. The more connected your viewers feel, the more likely they are to keep coming back. Step 6. Monetize your channel. Once you've built up a following, it's time to monetize your channel. You can do this through ad revenue, sponsored content, merchandise, or even memberships. Explore your options and find what works best for you. And there you have it, our guide on how to get rich quick on YouTube. Remember, it takes time and effort, but with dedication and perseverance, you can turn your passion into profit.